Welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about 8 simple ways to infuse healthy living into your day. What does healthy living for busy people look like? Practicing simple, healthy steps each day can make living a lifestyle of wellness even more automatic than ever before. Being a natural mom is simple but not always easy. Follow these steps and healthy living will be much easier for your family. Here are the 8 steps I recommend. Number 1, drink water. This will simplify your life because you won't have to keep a bunch of different beverages stocked. If you don't like water, you can always add a few drops of essential oils to your water to give your water some flavor. Number 2, use natural remedies. Think of an ailment that someone in your family has and replace your treatment for that ailment with a natural remedy. Then slowly do this with more and more ailments over the next several weeks. Number 3, de-stress. Stress is everywhere, and the sooner we can learn to manage it, the better our life will be. We like to apply and diffuse essential oils to help our family de-stress. Stress away, peace and calming, lavender, present time, and forgiveness are some of my favorite oils to apply and/or diffuse to help me relax and get rid of stress. Check the links below to find out where to get the best essential oils at the best price. Number 4, limit your devices. If you always sit down and watch TV at 7, try waiting until 8 to turn on the TV. Instead of having your phone next to you all the time, place your phone by the door or in a designated spot and only check it a few times a day. Also, turn off as many notifications as possible so you're not tempted to check it when you hear a notification. Number 5, get more sleep. Many people struggle to get enough sleep. If you're not sleeping well or don't think you have time to sleep, be sure to address this right away. Sleep is so essential for your body to detox and heal. Check the links below for the best supplement and essential oils to use to help you sleep well again. Number 6, eat real foods. Focus on eating fruits, vegetables, and meat. Think about what your grandparents or great-grandparents ate and work on eating only those foods. If you're too tempted by what's in your house, get rid of any boxes or bottles of food that contain more than 5 ingredients. If at all possible, buy organic food whenever available. You and your family will feel so much better when you start eating real foods more regularly. Number 7, supplement your diet. In other words, take good quality supplements. The truth is, our soil just doesn't contain the nutrients it once did. You probably have some good supplements on your shelves that you can take, or check the links below to the supplements I recommend. Number 8, exercise. Find something you enjoy doing and do it regularly. Some people will only exercise if they have a class to go to. Others, like me, hate leaving home and prefer to exercise at home. Some people love lifting weights and others hate lifting weights. If you like running, then run. If you hate running, find another form of exercise that you like and just do it. I like jumping on my mini trampoline and exercising to YouTube experts, but you might like something totally different than that. Check out the links to my exercise articles called Exercising from Home Successfully and 5 Steps to a Successful Fitness Plan. The key is liking what you do and doing it consistently. I hope these tips for living a healthy life have helped you. Feel free to contact me or comment if you have any questions. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification to get more videos on healthy living, even if you're a busy person.